Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinite Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE examination. This question came on 26 August 2021 in shift 1. So let us see this question first now. Question says a uniform chain of length 3 meter and mass 3 kg overhangs a smooth table with 2 meter lying on the table. If K is the kinetic energy of the chain in joule as it completely slips off the table, then the value of K is. So we'll visualize the question now first. The question is, you have been given a smooth table, and if a chain has been given to you, a uniform chain in which 2 meter of the chain is over the table and the hanging part of the chain is about 1 meter, because the overall length of this chain is 3 meter. Okay, so and the overall, so the mass of this upper portion of the chain is how much? Because this mass has been uniformly distributed, so its mass must be equal to 2 kg, because the overall mass of the chain is 3 kg, and the hanging part should have a mass of 1 kg, because the overall mass of the chain is 3 kg. Okay, now this is the situation, this is the first situation that you need to visualize. Now it says what will be its kinetic energy if this whole chain is about to slip, or it has slipped. Okay, just a minute, it slips off the table. So that means when this much of situation has, when this situation is arises, then what would be its kinetic energy? So what would be its kinetic energy that you need to find out? The overall length is 3 meter, so its mass, the whole mass of the chain can be concentrated at its center, and it is equivalent to 3 kg. Okay, and it is at a distance of 1.5 meter from the surface of the table. Okay, now what you can do is change in potential energy, the initial minus final and potential energy must be equal to gain in kinetic energy of the whole system, that we already know. Okay, so the initial potential energy of the system is, suppose this is a reference point that we have taken. So this is the reference point. Okay, we'll be calculating the potential from this reference point only. So let this be the reference point, and if this is a reference point, the potential energy because of 2 kg mass would be 0, because it is m into g into h. So h is 0. So the potential energy for this much a portion of the chain which is hanging, it is equivalent to, so the potential energy, so initial potential energy was 0 plus m into g into h. This much has having the mass of 1, m into g into h. Okay, what is h over here? It is, if whole length is 1 meter, so this length is half meter. Okay, why we are taking whole mass to be concentrated at this point? Because this would be its center of mass. For center of mass, the hanging part would be at its middle. So this much is the so this is the distance from its surface. Okay, and so it would be equivalent to half, and it is negative. Why it is negative? Because this distance is in downward direction. Okay, so the potential can be, in this case also potential is negative. If you are moving up, we can take that direction as positive. Okay, if you are moving down, we can take that direction as negative. So you are moving downward, so let this initial be, this potential be negative, so this initial potential comes out to be -5. Okay, and what about the final potential? So if this is a scenario in which it is about to slip off, so this is a final situation in which it is, so the potential energy of final can easily be calculated as mass of the whole system m into g into h. This distance is minus this distance is 1.5, so it would be equivalent to minus 3/2. So it eventually you'll be getting a 2, 5 and 5, 3, 15. So you'll be getting as 45 joule. So this is the final potential that you are getting. Okay, so the initial minus final potential must be equal to change in kinetic energy of the system. So this initial minus final must be equal to change in kinetic energy of the system. So final kinetic energy is K. Initial kinetic was 0 because it's the whole system was at rest. Okay, so once it is slipping off from this situation, it will gain kinetic energy, and finally its kinetic energy is K. K final. So what is P initial? P initial is -5 of -45. You will be getting 40 is equal to K. So 40 joule is the energy that we are getting, and that is our final answer. So the answer would be 40 joule. So the kinetic energy of the system while it is about to slip is 40 joule. I hope this question is also clear to you. Thank you.